Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel Masters in Selenium. Today we are going to discuss to write a program to swap two numbers using bitwise exclusive or it is also known as XOR, and it is represented with the symbol as char. Okay, and it is a binary operation perform a bit by bit exclusive OR. Okay, let's discuss in detail. Okay, so I am using Eclipse IDE, and before writing the code we will discuss the logic in detail. Okay, so we are swapping two numbers by using bitwise exclusive OR. This is also known as XOR. Okay, and it is represented by character caret symbol. Okay, what exactly it do? Okay, char is a binary operation operator performs a bit by bit exclusive or operator. Okay, so before implementing this thing we need to understand what exactly the condition here. Okay, condition when you are using XOR. Okay, see, if both the bits are same, then same then the XOR operator returns the result has 0. Remember this one. If both the bits were different, then the XOR operator returns result as 1. So remember this condition. Okay, when you are using XOR operator. Okay, XOR. Okay, these two you have to remember. Okay, now we'll write the logic here. See, we want to swipe two numbers. So list of variables is a 5 int b as 7. Okay, and these are input variables. And what is the binary value? Binary value of 5. What is value of 5 is 0 1 0. This is the binary value of 5. And what is the binary value of 7? Binary value of 7 is 0 0 1 1 1 0 triple 1. So this is the binary value of 5 and this is the binary value of 7. So we are swapping by using exclusive OR. Okay, the bit by bit. Okay, and the logic what we need to implement. The logic to be implemented the code. Please remember that one. A is equal to A caret B. B is equal to A caret B. A equal to A caret B. Okay. Now we'll understand this logic. Okay. So I will explain it in detail. So the first step is A equal to A caret B. So what it mean by? Okay. So what it mean by? What is the A value here? 5. So what is the binary representation of this one is 0, 1, 0, 1. Caret and B. What is B value here? 7. And binary value of 7 is this one 0, 1, 1. So 0, 1, 1. So now we need to implement this condition. See, if both bytes are same, then x2 operator returns 0. Okay, remember this line. Okay, and second is if both bytes are different, then the x operator returns 1. Okay, see 0 first value, so it will start from left to right. 0, 0, both are same. So if both are same, then it returns 0 here. So 0, 0, it is 0. The second one 1 and 1, both are same, so it will return 0. And third one is 0 and here it is 1. So both are different. If both are different, it will return 1. So it will be 1. And the fourth is 1 and here fourth is 1. So both are same, it will return 0. Okay, so it will be here 0. So this is the value of A now. So a value of A is 0010. Okay, now the second step. What is the second step? A is equal to A caret B. Okay, B is equal to A caret B. Okay, what is the A value now? This is the initial value. Now it is changed to here. So it will be 0010. Caret. What is the B value here? 0, 1, 1, 1. Now same logic we have to implement. 0 bit and 0. Both are same. Then result will be 0. So here it will be 0. The second one is 0, 1, different. So it will return 1. The third one is 1 and 1. Both are same. So it will return 0. The fourth one here is 0 and here 1. Both are different. So it return 1. No, sorry, third one is 1 and 1. Both are same. So it return 0. The fourth one is 0 and 1. Different 1. So it will be 1. The value of B is 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. Now we have to implement the third step in the logic. What is the third step? A equal to A caret B. So what is the value of A here? This is the value of A. Okay. So 0, 0, 1, 0 caret B. What is the new value of B? Is 0, 1, 0, 1. So what is the value? This is the value of 5 only. Okay. So 0, 1, 0, 1. So once again we start. Bits are same. 0. Different 1. Okay. 0, 0, 0. 0, 1. Different. So 1. 1 and 0. Different. 1. 0 and 1. It is different. So it is 1. Okay. So after doing this logic, what is the value? A value here? A value is 0, 1, 1, and B value is, this is the B value, 0, 1, 0. What is the value here of A? 0, 1, 1, the binary value. So it is 7. And B value is 0, 1, 0, 1. What is 0, 1, 0, 1 represents? 5. Okay. See, by implementing this logic, the value of A will become 7, value of B become 5. Okay. Now we will implement this logic in our code. Okay. Int A equal to 5, int B equal to 7. Okay. And I need to, before swapping, I need to print the values. For swapping. Before swapping, what is the A value here? Value A and value of B. Okay. Now the logic part. So what is the first step in the logic? A caret B. Let B. The first step. Second step is B is equal to A caret B. A caret B. B is equal to A caret B. And what is the third step in the logic? A is equal to A caret B. A is equal to A caret B. Okay. We will print the A and B values after swapping. Here's the code. Now we run it. See, the initial value of A is 5 and initial value of B is 7. After swapping, the A value becomes 7 and B value becomes 5. Okay, that's it. So we need to implement this logic. Okay, so this is the logic we are using, and internally it happen like this. Okay, so remember this thing. If both bytes are same, then the X operator returns 0. If both bytes are different, then X operator returns 1. So we are using the same operation here. Okay, so this is the way we can able to swap the two numbers using XOR or bitwise exclusive OR. Okay, and if you like this video, click on like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.